way you do it. Play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Now that ain't working, that's the way you do it. Let me tell you, them guys ain't dumb. Maybe get a blister on your little finger. Baby, get a blister on your thumb. We got to install microwave ovens, custom kitchen deliveries. We got to move these refrigerators.